Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the hood on a Porsche Cayman with a dead battery. First, find the fuse box cover located in the driver's side footwell. Gently remove this cover to reveal the electrical terminals. You will see a positive terminal, often red, and a negative ground point. These are crucial for temporarily powering your vehicle's electrical system, allowing you to access the front storage compartment and the main battery. This process is straightforward and designed for quick access. Now, connect your external power source. Take the positive lead from a jump starter or another 12-volt battery and securely attach it to the positive terminal you just identified. Next, connect the negative lead to a suitable ground point on the vehicle's chassis, not directly to the negative terminal in the fuse box. Double-check that all connections are firm and safe. This temporary power will energize the car's essential systems, including the hood release mechanism. With the external power source properly connected, your Porsche Cayman's electrical system is now temporarily active. Head inside the cabin and locate the front hood release button. This button is typically found on the driver's side, often near the door sill or dashboard. Press the button firmly. You should hear the latch disengage, indicating that the front hood is now unlatched and ready to be lifted. This step is key to gaining access. Finally, with the front hood unlatched, you can now lift it completely open. The main vehicle battery is conveniently located within this front storage compartment, often referred to as the frunk. With the hood open, you have full access to the battery. You can now proceed to jump-start your vehicle using standard procedures, or, if necessary, replace the main battery entirely. This completes the process of opening your Cayman's hood with a dead battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.